Now, in order to install Anaconda for Linux based operating system, open the browser, go to the official website of the Anaconda, click on official website of the Anaconda, go to the product section, under product section click on individual edition. Once you click on individual edition, what will happen? We will get the download button, click on download button. So, whenever you click on download button, this is going to redirect to a new section called Anaconda installer, where we have seen how to install Anaconda for Linux operating system in the previous video session using this link. Now, we'll see, since this operating system is Linux based operating system, I'm going to click on 64-bit installer. So, I'm going to click on 64-bit installer. This will ask for saving the file. I'm going to say OK. And you need to observe one more thing here is, so whenever you want to download the Anaconda software, and usually this will have the file size of the Anaconda software is 550 MB. Usually this will take some amount of time based on your internet speed. For the time being, I'm going to cancel this downloading procedure, because I have already downloaded the software I have already downloaded and kept in my operating system. So let me open the Anaconda software that is available in the download section. Now anyway, we have downloaded the Anaconda software. What I will do, I'm going to right click and open the terminal. Now you need to type this command, that is you need to update the repository, that is sudo apt get update. So this is going to update the latest dependencies for your operating system. Once after updating the operating system, you need to type bash after the file name. So once after entering this following command, bash and the file name, so you need to, in order to install the Anaconda software for Linux based operating system, you need to accept the license of Anaconda software. So first you need to press enter in order to read all the license agreement. I will be please keep on entering the enter until I'll finish once after finishing all the statements. Now in order to install the Anaconda for Linux based operating system, you need to accept this license. So I'm going to accept this license by saying yes. After that, the default location where the Anaconda will be stored in home Manjunath Anaconda 3. So in order to confirm the location, you need to press yes, you need to press enter. After that, usually this will take sufficient amount, some around 5 to 10 minutes based on your system speed. After that, you need to press yes. After that, your Anaconda software will be installed. For the time being, I'm going to pause the video. Once after next statement prompts, I'm going to resume my video once again. Now in order to run Anaconda, you need to say yes. Now we have successfully installed Anaconda. Now after installing Anaconda for Linux based operating system, now we need to activate Anaconda. So in order to activate Anaconda, you need to type following command. First let us clear the screen. Now type the following command: source now this will activate the Anaconda for Linux based operating system. You can see that we have something called base here. Now let me check whether we have Anaconda or not. In order to check whether we have successfully installed Anaconda or not, you need to type conda, and if you see this messages means we have successfully installed Anaconda for Linux based operating system. Now let me check Anaconda Navigator is available for Linux based operating system or not. So in order to open the Anaconda Navigator, you need to say Anaconda. After that you need to say Navigator, Anaconda-Navigator. Once you type this command, Anaconda Navigator is going to pop up the Anaconda Navigator software. From there I can launch various applications. If I want to launch Jupyter, I can launch it here. If I want to launch Spider IDE, I can by just pressing the launch button, this is going to launch the Spider IDE for me. So in this way, anyway, you know how to use the Spider IDE, which we have discussed in the previous video session. If you are not seen this video, means if you are not referred how to use Spider IDE, make sure that you refer my previous video. Then you will know how to use this Spider IDE. In the same way, even you can launch Jupyter Notebook, or if you want to launch Spider IDE, just you can type it here. Spider, or open the Anaconda Navigator. From there you click on launch Spider IDE. It's going to launch the Spider IDE for typing the Python programs. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll come with new concept. Thank you.